Hey, how's it going? How was your day in class?
It was good, thanks. I had a math test today, but I think I did okay.
Ah, nice. I had a history test yesterday, and I'm still waiting for the results.
Oh, good luck. I'm sure you'll do fine. What's your favorite subject in school?
That's a tough one. I'd say either history or English.
Nice. I'm more of a science person myself. I love biology and chemistry.
Yeah, those are interesting subjects too. What do you like about biology?
I think it's just really fascinating to learn about how living things work. Plus, it's really relevant to our everyday lives.
Absolutely. I never thought about it that way. Do you think our school does a good job of preparing us for college?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, we have some really great teachers who are always willing to help us out.
Definitely. I've had some really great teachers too. What's your favorite thing about our school?
Hmm, that's a tough one. I'd say probably the sense of community. Everyone's really friendly and supportive.
Yeah, that's true. I love how we all come together for spirit weeks and stuff like that.
Exactly. It's always so much fun. Do you think we'll be able to make it to the school dance this weekend?
Yeah, I hope so. I've been looking forward to it all week.
Me too. We should totally go together.
Sounds like a plan. So, have you started working on the group project for English class yet?
Yeah, I started brainstorming ideas last night. What about you?
I'm still trying to decide on a topic. Do you have any ideas?
Well, I was thinking we could do something on the theme of identity in literature.
That sounds really interesting. I'd love to explore that further.
Yeah, me too. I think it's a really relevant topic, especially for our age group.
Absolutely. Okay, so what's the plan for the project? Are we going to meet up to work on it?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. How about we meet up at the library on Saturday?
Sounds perfect. I'll make sure to bring my laptop and notes.
Great! I'll bring some snacks to keep us fueled.
Awesome! Thanks for organizing everything.
No problem. I'm just excited to get started on the project.
Hey, have you heard anything about the upcoming math test?
Yeah, I heard it's going to be pretty tough, but I'm trying not to worry about it too much.
Yeah, me too. I'm just going to focus on studying and doing my best.
Exactly. And we can always quiz each other to help each other prepare.
So, what's your favorite book that we've read in English class so far?
That's a tough one. I think I'd have to say To Kill a Mockingbird.
Ah, nice choice. I love that book too. What did you like about it?
I think it was just the way the author explored themes of racism and injustice. It was really powerful.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, well, I should probably get going. I have a ton of homework to do tonight.
Yeah, me too. Good luck with everything, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.